The plans that we have is that the burial is going to be conducted tomorrow on Sunday, starting from around 9 o'clock in terms of program, and the body is going to be flown from Nairobi using military transports and will be received at Kisumu, we expect by around between 9 to 10 o'clock. From Kisumu to the place where we are, where we're going to receive the body, we are going to use road transport. Already the hearse has been arranged for, and the transport for the dignitaries and other senior VIPs have also been arranged for. I've provided for transportation arrangement of about 500 people from Kisumu. Largely we use communal transport, and we want the many of you will attempt to bear with us, even if you find yourself in a communal transport. It's just for the purposes of being efficient in terms of transporting. So please bear with us if you find yourself in a communal transport. We just want to be efficient. So the body will be brought here. This is where you're going to have a service. It's going to be a state function. We expect His Excellency the President will also attend the function, and it will be largely a military burial in terms of conduct, but we're also going to engage the local community in terms of the service. So the local church is going to be engaged in the service. We are going to host 3 categories of dignitaries. We have the local community. We expect to feed them as well as sit them. The local administration already is seized of the issue. I think, Madam, you are there in terms of taking charge. We also expect to host other senior dignitaries. So we have clustered them into 3, and we have protocol arrangements and courtesy already in place to just take good care of them.
Or the final send-off of the general will be done at his home, in his compound, and that will be restricted. So everyone who will want to participate in the final process of sending off the general is urged to come to this particular location.
A very, very sad day in the history of this country and in the history of Nyanza, because we have lost a great son of the soil. So on my own behalf and that of my family and everybody serving in government who is here, we want to pass our condolences to the bereaved family. General was an extraordinary person because he had scaled the heights. He had achieved a lot. Perhaps in his line of duty, he had risen to the highest rank possible.